Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my July Boxycharm box. I am so excited and I literally can't believe that we're already more than halfway through July. It's literally insane to me. I feel like this year has just breezed by. But yeah, this just reminded me that we're already more than halfway through the year and it's crazy. But I'm so excited about July's Boxycharm box. I love getting these every month, so I'm really excited to see what is in here. So before we do start unboxing, please stop what you're doing and give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Just really helps me out, means the world to me, and you get 3 videos a week from me. So please make sure that you're subscribed. But if you want to see what's in my July Boxycharm box, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okie dokie. So, like I said, this is the July box. Crazy, I know. But we're gonna be doing some unboxing. As usual, I don't know what is in here. I like to keep it a surprise for myself. I like to gift myself random things every month. So that's my little surprise to myself every month. It's fun. It makes it more exciting for me. So I don't know what's in here. I did tear open the seal that's on the bottom, but I didn't peek, I promise. So we're gonna be unboxing it together, seeing together what is inside, and hopefully we can try some stuff out if we've got some makeup. I know sometimes there's a mix of like skincare, makeup, body stuff, so always some kind of a surprise. But let's just get started on unboxing this. So just pulling this open, as usual, Boxycharm Instagram handle and hashtag, hello charmer, and the hot pink Boxycharm logo. And I already love this card. It's very summery. So it says Boxycharm status 000 or ooh, I can't tell. It's cute either way though. So as usual, we're just gonna go through in order from what it says on the card and we'll see what we got in here. So first up is from Phase Zero Makeup. It's the Necessities eyeshadow palette. So this is a new brand to me. I've never heard of it. It says these 8 universal matte shadows are incredibly buildable. They deliver smooth, highly blendable color designed to create a soft blended look. Goes for $40. So let's see. Very nice, clean, classic black and white. And then opening it up here, again, very just like sleek black and white. And then let's open this up. Okay. Comes with a mirror. I do like that. Let me just peel off this sticker. The mirror is pretty good and it takes up the whole top half. The colors I love, like they're nudes, like neutral colors. I like it. Like they don't look dull, they look pigmented, so I do really like that about it. I'm gonna swatch them really quick though, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys what they look like, but it looks like we have a mix of mattes and shimmers. It's like 4 and 4. So I'm gonna swatch them on my arm and then I'll show you what they look like, so give me 1 second. Okay, I just finished swatching and I'm actually really impressed with how these swatched. They all felt so creamy. Like, you know how sometimes with eyeshadows you put your finger in and they feel kind of scratchy? That is not the case with these. Like, all of them felt really nice. The shimmers are beautiful. Like, they're not too much. They're like a really nice, subtle kind of glow. And the mattes are really nice and pigmented and, like I said, creamy. So I really liked all of them. I do just want to take a little bit of one of the shimmers and just see how it looks on my eyes. So I think I want to take, who do I want to use? I'm going to use this one down here. This is, oh, there's no shade names. Okay, that's fine. I'm just going to take that one on my finger and put it on my eyelids so we could see what it looks like. Very pigmented. This is actually really nice. Like, it looks very natural, but it gave me that extra something that my makeup was missing. And it looks really nice. So far I'm really enjoying this. I think I'm gonna have some fun with this. You guys know I love my natural glam. I love neutrals, so I already love it, but I am excited to keep playing with it. So that was the first one. Next we have from Juice Beauty. It's the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Ooh. It says clean, vegan, 2.5% bio-retinol and retinol serum. With breakthrough scientific technology encapsulating the vitamin in evening primrose to assure stability and to avoid toxic chemicals. Skin rescuing technologies to help keep your skin looking and acting youthful while you sleep. This serum glides on smoothly and leaves skin feeling hydrated. Goes for $72. That is expensive. Let me see what this is. So, I love the packaging. I am gonna swatch a little bit. So this is a retinol overnight serum. I don't really use retinols, and I know I should because they're really good for you. Maybe this is my excuse to start. So, oh, this smells so good. It smells citrusy, like it literally smells like Pez candy, if you guys remember that back in the day. If you love that smell, you're gonna love this. It smells super good, and it feels so nice, like really lightweight. It almost feels like a moisturizer to me. Like it's really, really nice, and it made the back of my hand just really, really glowy. So I really like this. I think I'm gonna start using this tonight because I honestly haven't been tanning. So, I mean like tanning outside. So I could use a retinol. So I'm gonna start testing this out tonight and we'll see how it goes. I'm excited about that one. But then next up is from Eloise Beauty. It's the Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. Oh, I could have put the eyeshadow on with the brushes. Well, maybe we'll try something. It says, create any gorgeous look with this Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. This set includes 4 essential brushes that help you blend with precision to perfect and enhance any eyeshadow look, from subtle to glam. Each brush is made with super soft synthetic fibers with a sleek and sturdy holographic prism handle. $22, really not bad for a set of brushes. And you get 4 brushes in here. That is awesome. Okay, you can never have too many brushes in my opinion. Like I love getting brushes in these Boxycharm boxes because honestly, a few of the ones that I got before I use nonstop because they're really, really good. So let me just get these out of here. And this little prism look on the handles is so freaking cute. Like it's like plastic. Like it feels like not the best quality, but I still love it. Like I feel like it looks really, really pretty. Sorry, let me hold it. Look at this. That's so cute. They look like icicles. I love it. And then they feel super, super soft. They're all eyeshadow brushes. I could get some good use out of these. Let me see if I could just take a little bit of one of these eyeshadow colors. Maybe just take a little bit and like, I don't really know what this is doing for me, but it feels really good. It feels super soft. That color matched way too close to the shimmer, so you can't really tell too much, but everything is smooth, and this felt really good going on. So far so good. I do need to play around with those a little bit more though. Next up, we have from KNDR Beauty. It's the Kind Bronze. This creamy, ultra soft formula has been formulated with a blend of nutrient-rich plant-based butters to condition the skin. A natural buildable bronzing powder that gives a perfect sun-kissed effect. Goes for $19. So let's see what that is. Oh my god, so cute. It reminds me of The Little Mermaid. It's really, really adorable. And then let's open this up. This looks very, very similar to the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. If you guys know what I'm talking about, like the pattern in there and just like the way that the packaging is, but I'm sure it has its own uniqueness. But I'm gonna take a little bit. This feels super soft and buttery. Wow, that's pretty. I like how neutral looking it is. I think I'm gonna like this. I have a brush. I'm just gonna take a little bit on the brush and see what it looks like on my cheeks. I am actually obsessed with this. Like this looks really, really, really pretty. I love how it's not too warm and it's not too cool. It's like a very neutral brown, which you guys know I love. And I feel like it just really gave the perfect amount of warmth to my face. I really, really like this. I love that it's not too big too. So I'm gonna have to play with this one a little bit more. It's not expensive, 19 bucks. But it looks really beautiful, and I feel like a little went a long way with this. So far I like. And then last but not least, we have from TRESLUCE Beauty. the Bold e ATRETIVA Liquid Lip Tint. I hope I pronounced that right. And then it says, take on the day with a bold burst of color formulated with hyaluronic acid and glycerin that hydrates and moisturizes the lips. Plant-derived oils make this lip tint ultra comfortable, delivering a cooling sensation and dewy finish. And it goes for $18. I'm so into lip tints right now. And what's even more exciting is this is Becky G's makeup brand. I haven't tried anything from her brand yet, but I freaking love Becky G, you guys. I know all of her songs. If there's one singer I wish I could meet one day, it's Becky G. I freaking love her. So I'm very, very excited to be trying this, and I need to try more of her products. Like, I was really, really excited when I saw her brand was coming out, but so much makeup has been coming out lately, it's been kind of overwhelming. So stay tuned and I will try some more from her brand. But this packaging, first of all, is stunning. So just looking at it like this, let me swatch this on the back of my hand. Ooh, okay, I'm so happy. This is, it seems like it's gonna be more of a neutral color. I could wear this like every day, but this is such a pretty color. It has some warmth to it, and I feel like this would just make my natural lips pop in such a good way. Honestly, even on the back of my hand, it feels really, really cooling. It feels really good, and it seems like there's a good amount of pigment on there. I already have lip product on my lips, so I'm not gonna take this off, but I want to put some on top just to see what it would look like as a gloss, because why not? Whoa, that's dark. Oh my god, this smells so good. This literally smells like sangria. I'm obsessed. And this color, guys, I would wear this on top of a lip liner and just wear it like this throughout the night. This color is so, so beautiful, and I could see myself using this like crazy in the fall and winter. It's like the perfect brownish lip color with the perfect amount of warmth to it. It feels so good on my lips. It's really, really lightweight. It's not sticky, and it just looks and feels really good. So I'm super excited about this one. This might be like a go-to in my everyday bag because this is really pretty. So stay tuned to see more of this one, but I'm so excited about that. I'm honestly really excited about all of these products. I feel like this bag was a big winner. Like, all of these are really, really exciting to me. I'm like anxious to keep trying and keep playing with all of these products. Like, everything has something exciting and new to offer, so I'm really, really happy with this month's box. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely did, and like I said, I'm excited to keep playing with these. So comment and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, what you think about them. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes, if we got any of the same stuff, if you got different stuff, just let me know. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.